Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Mississippi mud pie. This recipe is indulgent, decadent, and absolutely delicious. Layers of fluffy brownie cake with flaky pie crust, chocolate sauce, and whipped cream. Let's get started. The recipe will be linked in the description box below. Start by separating 3 eggs into egg whites and egg yolks. Using cold eggs to separate is best. They separate easier when they're cold. Bring it to room temperature to make the meringue. Set aside the meringue after you made it, but you want to whisk vigorously in a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a hand mixer, and adding the sugar until you get stiff peaks. Blind bake the pie crust 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Next, in a double boiler, melt the butter and the chocolate until fully combined, using a balloon whisk to go ahead and puff as much air as possible into the chocolate and butter. Then adding 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Go ahead and mix to combine. Next is going to be 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Mix really well to combine as well. After that will be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing to combine, and 1 teaspoon of salt to amp up all of those flavors. This chocolate sauce is delicious. Egg yolks will bring it all together, and mixing vigorously, go ahead and add the egg yolks. Next, you want to gently fold the meringue into the chocolate batter to fully combine. A little bit at a time is the best way to go. See how the meringue has nice stiff peaks, and again, using a balloon whisk is ideal for this. And the reason I like to use a whisk instead of a spatula to combine these is I just want to go slow and smooth and incorporate gently without mashing anything. You just want to pump a little bit of air into this brownie batter. It's a luxurious batter, and it makes absolutely the best brownie cake. Absolutely delicious. So once you've incorporated the meringue into the brownie batter, should have no white streaks left in it and should be creamy and smooth. Add 1/4 cup of flour and mix to combine, gently folding until there are no more streaks of flour in sight. Switching to a spatula, go ahead and smooth out the brownie batter and get your pre-baked pie crust ready, and pour your luxurious brownie batter into the pie crust. In the same oven that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, bake for 35 minutes and allow to cool completely. And the cake will crack and sink, but that's exactly what we are looking for. There you go. Look at that beautiful brownie cake. So now adding a little bit of hot fudge or chocolate sauce or even chocolate custard, topping that off with some whipped cream is what we're going to do. So here's a step-by-step. Little chocolate sauce and some whipped cream. Of course, you can make your homemade chocolate sauce or homemade whipped cream. I just like to do semi-homemade recipes, but you could adjust to your liking. And shave some dark chocolate on top or add some sprinkles, whatever your preference is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday for a new video. Bye for now.